Sometimes we need to scan a bunch of documents. For example, it can be our notes on a manuscript, or we want to scan a bunch of receipts for claim expenses, or we just want to scan the grandma recipe books for our kids. Of course, we can use the scanner or we can make a photo of each page, but it's really time consuming. And now we have a much better way. Now all we need is just a smartphone with installed Google Drive. Open your Google Drive app on your phone and next do this simple thing. We want to click plus and choose scan. My Google Drive now in automatic scan mode, but if yours are not, just switch to automatic mode. It will be here. And next you just show the pages to Google Drive and it make a decision automatically. Is it new page or is it old page? And you can scan as much pages as you need in one go. And you need not to press any buttons or something. Okay, when you finish with the scanning, you press stop. Next, you press next. You can check, you can filter, you can improve your documents, and you can press next. So now you have a standard interface to name your file, choose the format you wish, choose the location, and next press upload. That's all. That's such easier. Yeah, it's that easy. Please like the video and see you in a Royalty Guild at school. Link in the description.